Hey friends, Drew here in beautiful Oxford, Pennsylvania, just off Waterway Road. A customer gave us a call today because they had a little bit of wind damage. Took some shingles off of one of their dormers above the garage. So we're gonna pop out here, and they actually had some shingles, so we're gonna put those back up for them and get them taken care of. If you're dealing with any kind of wind damage, shingle blow off, siding blow off, the rake board capping, the aluminum on the side of things, any of those type of issues at all, please give us a call. Actually, the fastest way to reach us is going to be to message us right here on our Facebook page. Just click on the Contact Us button up there on our cover photo, and you're going to be able to send us some pictures of what's going on. We need a ground to sky photo, so the whole wide shot of your house, so we can see just what size ladder we're going to need and what the nature of the damage is, so we know what to bring with us. And that's going to allow us to give you an estimate probably right on the spot just from your pictures. And then of course your complete contact details, phone number, address, email, so we can send you paid receipts and stuff. But here's what's going on with this dormer here today. You can see just a couple of layers on the bottom came blowing off, and of course it did a little bit of damage to things above. So we're gonna get the crowbar out. We're gonna pop some of these nails, separate what we need to do, pull out the old things, get 4 new shingles back in there, make it pretty for them, and solve the problem. Now, one thing I love about this job is we got a beautiful view. You know, everywhere we go, every time I'm up on a roof, there's always something gorgeous to look at. So if you've got some wind damage, if you've got some shingles that blew off, if you lost some siding, if you lost some rake board capping, which you would normally find like on the face of this is all an 𝗷𝘂𝘀𝘀 product on this house, so they don't have to worry about that piece. But if that aluminum rake board capping comes off the side of your house, like up here, this stuff is just nailed on. Now this one's got a little bit of a custom bend to it, but you got nails in here across the face. Sometimes the wind gets behind there, rips that off, and then it's flapping and banging on your roof. That's a problem we can solve for you. Give us a call, 484-748-0008. 𝗗𝘂𝘀𝘀 Construction and Renovation. We are your Pennsylvania home improvement contractor number 88078, and we would be happy to help you. Yeah, I know it's Saturday, but we had a lot of things come through this weekend, and in light of the current situation, we're trying to find those life-sustaining emergency repairs that we can do to keep our guys working and keep the paychecks coming for them. So if you've got some wind damage, we would love the opportunity to help serve you and your family and get your house put back together. We do have some availability potentially on Monday to get some of these things done, but start today. Send us a message, hit us up on our Facebook page, give us some pictures of the damage, a full wide shot ground to sky, what's going on at your house, so we know which ladder to bring. We can say if we have to match siding colors. We got a little bit of a challenge with some of our suppliers, but we'll do our very best to get those in. I've already got an appointment Monday morning to take some siding samples down and try to get them matched, and we'll get out and get those taken care of for you, assuming the weather works for us Monday. If not, it'll be Tuesday. But get us a message, get on with us today, and let's get started so that we can get you on the list and get you in the front of the row, so that as soon as we get good weather and we can get your materials, we can get out there and get that back on your house, get you watertight again, so you don't have to worry about rain and those kind of things getting in. So this is Drew off Waterway Road in beautiful Oxford, Pennsylvania. If we can solve a problem for you, give us a call, 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for 𝗗𝘂𝘀 Construction and Renovation, and the extension 2 for new projects. Remember, when we're done with it, it's not just done, it's 𝗗𝘂 built. We'll catch you guys on another video. I'm gonna get these shingles patched. Bye for now.